what are you doing?
I'm washing under there.
What?
I'm washing under here.
Oh, okay.
Are you doing a video?
Yeah. Watching you and Papa.
Hey, let me get some more tape.
Huh? Alright, get some soap. We're getting ready to move to the other side, aren't we?
Yeah. Yeah.
You're gonna get that bumper clean, aren't you, big guy?
Woo-hoo.
Woohoo!
Alright, let me rinse it and then we'll move to the other side. Okay?
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
You're doing good.
You just take it and I say it.
Huh?
We're sweat. We sweat.
Yeah, we can switch.
Hey, you have the tape and you and I have it.
Rinse it.
Wait.
Just rinse the whole truck.
You're really doing a good job, honey.
You want to move the hose around the other side? Huh? Alright, look, go around this way, though. Alright, stop, man. Just bring it around this way. I'll help you. You're doing good. Alright. Alright, do this side. Do it good like you did the other side. You gotta wet the whole side. All the way back to the back. Even the windows, all the way back to the back. You're doing really good. And then we get our rags. We gotta get our rags again. We gotta get our rags.
Okay.
I'll start this end, you start that end.
I'm gonna play in my dirt. Can I play in my sandbox?
As soon as you finish washing the truck. Are you done? You done? All right, blow Mama a kiss. Say, hey, Mama.
Are you quitting on me?
Yes, I quit.
You quit.
Wave at Nanny.